All right, here we go. I had my little break, and so let's continue trying to fix this speaker. Here we go. So we'll pull out the speaker again. Oh, I need to turn my soldering iron on. Okay, so this little wire is really hard to solder to. One thought I had was using conductive tape. So we will see if that works. Well, we'll see if that works after I try to solder. There's still a little bit. Yeah, that might work. Soldering might work. But that'll probably melt some plastic. I wonder if I can. No, that's glued. Okay. Okay. Let's see if this works. Oh, okay. I think that actually worked. Holy stars. It kind of cracks me up how sometimes just taking a little bit of a break is really important. Okay. I wonder now if I can. No, I don't think this is gonna help. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna leave the soldering iron on because I need to solder the wire back to the PCB. All right. So we're gonna fit this back where it goes. And we're gonna push the little wire through the holes. Okay. I hope I remember where to solder it to, or else I'm gonna be feeling blue. Okay. Yes. All right, it goes there. Okay. And now let's see here. Actually. Okay. Okay. Wonder. This is so small. How do I use my left hand? Oh. I think I might just need to use this and be very careful. Ah, okay. All right, so I got the casing, the wire casing off, and now I can solder it to the place that the old wire went to. All right, so this needs to be quick so that I don't burn any of the ICs or integrated circuits on the board. I'm gonna move this out of the way. I don't need that anymore. Okay. Tin the tip. All right, and that didn't quite work. So foo. All right, I might need two hands here. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right. Oh, fuck, I forgot to attach the battery. Shit. Classic. Okay. Well, I don't think I need that anymore. Shit. Well, maybe I can. Okay. Oh, it cracks me up. Okay. Okay. And tiny spaces are hard. I think I might add some tape. Well, okay. This wire connection is pretty tricky. So I'm gonna add a little bit of tape. Maybe hold it in place. And by tape, I mean conductive tape. This stuff is really cool. Earford sells it. Conductive nylon fabric tape. Boop! Now you can't see my face. Ah! I guess I could just add more solder. Maybe that's a better idea. Before I plug the battery in. Is this still hot? This might still be hot enough. Yeah, cool. All right, that seems a little more sturdy. Okay. Oh, a screw, fun. From here. Okay. All right, now I plug battery in. Where'd my tweezers go? There are my tweezers. Huh. Okay. Yay. Oh, shit. Shit. Okay, that's plugged in. Okay. Holy stars. Okay, this is a whole thing, and I really hope that this fixed it. And if not, I might just bail on this speaker system because it was already broken. So if I didn't fix it, it's not the biggest deal ever. Honestly, I'm just proud that I managed to replace the wire. Okay, great. Okay, and so now I think I have everything connected, and I believe I should actually be able to turn it on right meow. It's not quite closing for some reason. Not that that's a big deal, but I probably should figure that out. Oh, well, okay. Oh, I gotta pop it in before I do that. Okay. I mean, honestly, I probably should be wearing gloves for this shit, too. Oh, look at that, it turned on. Okay. Alright, well, it turned on, that's a good sign. It still sounds fuzzy. Why are you fuzzy? Okay, well, both speakers work, so that's good. I'm gonna need to do a little bit more of an in-depth test on this, obviously. But all my devices are, well, not all my devices, but my phone is currently occupied, so I can't test my phone. And my laptop is somewhere else. So, I think I will call it good for now, and whether or not it works, well, I'll let y'all know if it works or not. Yeah, really all I have to do is just screw everything back in, do a test, and if it doesn't quite work with the test, I might just call it good and maybe harvest the speakers for some other purpose. All right, well, that was informative. Like every time I open something up, I learn something new. Cool. So thank you for watching. I would love to learn what sorts of things you do. Oh wait, we gotta rotate it. There we go. Like, do you like to fix things? Or do you like to make new things? Let me know. Bye, friends.